So the first thing you want to do is make sure your turkey is warm. Usually stick it in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll help remove the meat off the bones and make it much easier. Make sure we pull all the meat off. Next, usually about 1 part bones to 3 parts water. So we're going to fill it up times 3 the volume of the bones. From there, we'll get our stock on the stove on high heat and start prepping the other ingredients. A damp cloth on the bottom of the cutting board will prevent it from sliding. Now we can wash our mirepoix. So we'll rinse our celery, then we'll rinse our carrots, and then clean off our whole onion, which will just go into the stock as half. I prefer to cut my stock mirepoix big. I find it makes skimming a lot easier. So nice long cuts. And then clean off a few garlic cloves. Continue to allow the stock to come up to temperature. We are looking for a nice simmer. As it comes up to a simmer, the proteins will congeal and float to the top and form a scum. In order to make sure our stock is clear, we will skim off these impurities. Once at a simmer and we have it all skimmed, I find putting the vegetables in at this time is the most effective way and makes skimming much easier. A vegetable stock usually only takes 30 to 45 minutes. General rule of thumb. With a gentle simmer going, we will continue to skim the stock as needed. That's about the simmer level we want to allow for a nice clear stock. After a few hours, or once we've reduced about 3 times the volume, we are ready to strain. I like to use a spider or French strainer. And the best tool attached there is not actually a sifter. It would be a chinois or a conical strainer. From there we can compost our bones. A good stock should have the following criteria: bold color, clarity, wonderful aroma, and flavor. From this, we decided to make a Vietnamese soup. We will go over this in the next video. Links are in the description down below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.